I randomly found this and I'm kind of mad that it's not viral yet because I've struggled with a dry damage barrier like this and irritated skin like this. It's so hard to find skincare products that actually hydrate, do damage repair, and calm your skin down all in one product. Snail mucin, but it also has cecia in it, so it helps calm, repair, and hydrate, and it's all in one product. Blanc Nature made a snail moisturizing cream. It actually feels really high end, with redness, dryness, texture. Watch how this melts in the skin. Like, there's no greasiness that's left over. It leaves you a glowy, hydrated complexion fin without feeling like a grease ball. Skin actually feels healthier and not just shiny. If your skin has been acting up like mine has lately, this is the kind of product that we're trying out. That it's actually affordable and it's Korean skincare. If you guys want to get it for yourselves, I'm going to go ahead and link it in the orange shopping cart, but don't say I didn't warn you whenever it's going to go viral.